We might think of it as a set of strict rules, but it's actually a key to achieving our dreams and finding balance in our lives. Discipline what keeps us focused and motivated, whether we're working towards our big goal, trying to do well in school, or simply improving ourselves. Discipline helps us stick to our plans and keep moving forward. It's about setting priorities, managing our times, and pushing through to times. Without it, even the most talented people can find it hard to reach their full potential. On a personal level, discipline helps us make better choices and stay on track. It teaches us that success isn't just about being gifted, but about being persistent and dedicated. In a group or community, discipline helps keep things orderly and respectful, so everyone has the chance to succeed together. Discipline is more than just following rules. It's about guiding ourselves towards our goals and growing along the way. By embracing discipline, we can achieve our aspirations, build good habits, and positively impact those around us. Let's appreciate the role discipline plays on our lives and make commitments to practice it, knowing it's a key to a fulfilling and successful life. Thank you.